Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable dark mode in Android One UI. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and search for display and brightness. Press on this. Here you can see dark theme. If you want to disable this, then turn off this button. That's it. So this is how to disable dark mode in Android One UI. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.